My lecture topic is United Nations. I started from here. What is United Nations? United Nations is an international organization. International organization consists of 193 member states. It is founded in 1945 for international peace and security and cooperation between countries. The forerunner of United Nations is League of Nations, which was created after First World War during the Treaty of Versailles. League of Nations also have a motive to maintain international peace between the countries. In 1942, 26 nations signed a document to fight against Axis powers. Axis power stated that Axis powers is created by three countries: Rome, Berlin, and Tokyo. So, against Axis power, 26 nations signed documents and take pledge that they will fight against Axis power and to stop them from making another separate peace. The main organs of United Nations consist of the first main organ of United Nations is General Assembly, which is consisted of 193 member states, or the 193 member states of United Nations represent the General Assembly. The main work of General Assembly is to make policies and make international laws for different countries. The second main organ of United Nations is Security Council, whose main motive is to maintain international peace between countries. And the third main organ of United Nations is Social and Economic Council. Its main motive is to maintain social and economic balance between countries and to provide essential needs to the countries who are poor in economic, and to maintain cooperation between different borders, international borders between the countries. And the fourth main organ of the United Nations is International Court, who was formed in 1945 but started work in 1946. And the final organ of United Nations is Secretariat. Secretariat was appointed by the General Assembly on the recommendation of Security Council. And in Secretariat, United Nations members or staff members is also included. United Nations have thousands of staff members who do its day-to-day work on the mandate of General Assembly. And United Nations do its work and missions purposefully as contained in its founding charter. Thank you.
Okay.